In this video, we will talk about the new reports workflow. Let's enter into the Add button to check out this new feature. Select Reports to begin creating a report. Select the Settings gear to customize the report order. Now generate reports in alphanumeric order or by event date. Enter in your report contact information, disclaimer, and logo. Select Apply to add these changes to generated reports. Now enter into report creation from the account, grower, farm, and field levels. Select a filter, either filter by date range or by activities. After the report generates, export the report. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more content like this and visit our website for more information about Sirrus and the rest of our products.